Christopher Plummer addresses replacing Kevin Spacey in All the Money in the World. The guy replacing Kevin Spacey in a movie that's supposed to be released in about a month is surprisingly at ease about pulling off an unprecedented cinematic move. We got Christopher Plummer Sunday in NYC, where he was attending the premiere of one of his own upcoming flicks, and asked if it was a difficult decision to accept the role in Ridley Scott's All the Money in the World, after Spacey got the axe last week. From the way Chris responds, it doesn't sound like he has any qualms about taking the gig away, even though he was mum on reaching out to the beleaguered actor. As for that looming release date of December 22, Chris might as well have quoted Outkast.